Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a cute frog with a mushroom hat. This piece will also be available in my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description if you are interested in supporting my art. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So first thing, you want to bulk up some aluminum foil into a peanut shape and layer it with some old clay scraps. Next, we can start shaping out the frog's face and body with more clay. I also have the materials listed in the description where you can purchase from my affiliate link if you're interested. Now it's time to add the legs. Now it's time to shape out the eyes. I'll be using glass cabochons to create a glossy look. Now back to the legs. And now we can add the hands and feet to Froggy. With a small ball tool, we're gonna poke Froggy all around for some texture. Now he's ready to bake for an hour. While Froggy is getting toasty, it's time to make the mushroom hat. Shape the mushroom according to your desired size, paint it, and it's ready to go in the oven for 15 minutes. I decided to remake the mushroom cap and chose this bigger piece. After the cap is cooled, it's time to fill it up with the gills. Now that Froggy is cooled down, he is ready for some color. After the paint dries, push the mushroom hat on his head until you get that crease. Paint the mushroom gills and pop that mushroom hat back on Froggy. Use liquid Sculpey to help stick the white specks on the mushroom. I'm using white polymer clay for the specks. I added some eye pins to the mushroom because I thought I was going to add something extra to it, but I just decided to leave it as is. I put the frog back in the oven one last time for 25 more minutes. Once cooled, it's time to seal him with a coat of polyurethane, and he is all complete! Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!